What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in a Volkswagen remote fob flip key. So this key fob is going to take a replacement battery CR2032, and I'm also going to be using a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and flip the key blade out on the fob. Then if we take a look at the back of it, we're going to remove this little panel right here, this back half. And if we look at the area where we just flipped the key blade out of, you can kind of see there's this little notch right here on this back panel. What we're going to do is put our screwdriver in there and just simply push up. And then as you can see, it starts it like that. And then from there, you can just get your fingers on here and pull it off like that. And you may just be able to go ahead and pull that back off without popping it up with the screwdriver, but it just pulls off pretty hard. But anyway, once you get that back panel off, we can go ahead and see our battery here. There's this little notch right here that you can get a screwdriver, even something with a point in it, just to get under the edge of the battery. Once that's out, we'll grab our new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Then go ahead and snap that back panel on, that back cover, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.